All right, so today's tip has to do with, so take that. So we are stuck at home, but the great part is, this is my office. The coworkers are soft, they like to play fetch. Some of them even meow a lot. Not too bad over here at the Purdy residence. Today we're going to go chat about one of the most important parts of any bike repair. One of the most important parts of any bike repair that is often overlooked is likely one of the most fun parts of any bike maintenance job. It is verifying that you have actually repaired the bike. So that means that the number one most important part of a bike repair is taking it for a test ride after you're done. So let's go for a test ride. So we're out on our test ride. What are the things you need to do? First off, think about what the concern was from the customer. In this case, it had to do with the brakes. So you gotta make sure to use both brakes. That was the front brake. Now the rear brake. This was the one that was squealing. The squeal, in this case, I did end up washing this bike. So that could be some residual water needed to be burned off, which is also an essential part of the test ride. Bed in the brakes, get rid of any noises that you may have caused that are just part of the repair. As in this case, cleaning and washing the bike, get a little moisture on the rotor. It's starting to wear off. Oh, there we go. No noise. Brake locks up nicely. It is good. So, run the brakes, verify that what you've repaired is working, but also run through other things. In this case, running through the gears. Those are all crucial parts of making sure that this repair is done. All right, I'm gonna finish up this test ride, and then this bike will be ready. This is part of why I love fixing bikes. Go find a good loop to take your rigs on test rides and party on. A good loop will usually include a small hill, some flats, some places where you're going to be coasting, some places where you're going to have a lot of energy exertion. So keep it all in mind and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. You can find hundreds more videos like this one on our channel here on YouTube. And we're constantly working on more. So be sure to subscribe for the latest content for Park Tool. And check out our website, which has even more content to help you make your bike better.